Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your OBS preview screen from landscape to portrait. Okay, so supposing you have your OBS preview like this, and when the preview is in this landscape 16:9, the Windows default landscape, and you want to change it to the portrait side so you can have your image actually zoomed in to be in the portraits section. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do to show you right away. First and first, when you come to your OBS studio, you head over to your settings on this right corner, bottom right corner. Okay, click on settings, come down to video, click on the video option, and you can actually just change it here. But in this tutorial I'm going to just show you how you can maneuver this page where you can't click and change anything. As you can see, I'm clicking and nothing is changing. So if you head over to this settings and video trying to change the canvas preview on your OBS and you run into errors like this, it's fine. Now I'm going to show you what you do. First and first, click cancel, and now something is preventing you from actually changing the preview, and it is either a plugin is on or your virtual camera is actually on. But if the virtual camera is not on, it means something else is using your OBS preview. So you come to settings and you turn off any additional plugin that you have. Okay, in my case I have the distro AV NDI settings on, so I'm going to click on this plugin here. In your case, you can have any other plugins here after this WebSocket server. Okay, so I'll click on mine and I'll turn off this guy here and click OK. So when I head back to settings here and I come to video, I can actually change this output here. So I'm going to change this one to 1080 x 1920, which is the canvas mode for landscape mobile. 1080 x, yeah, correct. So I'm going to change it to this one like this and hit apply and OK. Now when I come back to my OBS preview, you can see it has changed the preview from the full landscape to this one. So if I hit to I'm going to try to fit this image to screen right now by doing the option, right click on your mouse and then come over to transition and select fit to screen. Now you see what we have right here is okay. I'm going to do it for this guy also. I think I just did it for this media source. So let me come over to this window capture that I'm using. I'll click on it and right click again, come over to transition and fit to screen. As you can see, the whole content in that preview is actually now fit to the screen of a mobile preview. So supposing I want to use my OBS studio to do a mobile preview on whatever I want to use it for, so this is the procedure that I have to go through to do it. And when I'm done, I'm going to head over back to my tools, come down to my plugins so I can have it actually on, and then just shake this guy and hit OK. So I have my preview here as my mobile preview, so I can go ahead and maybe drag this image as much as I want, depending on what I want to use it for, understand. So I'll just do whatever I want to do, but the preview is actually just going to be in the portrait mode, which is for mobile preview. Okay, so I can actually just preview this mobile view here on any application that I want. So that is the step to actually have your OBS preview in the portrait mode. Okay, so if you like the video, subscribe and tune into the channel for more updates. I love you. I'll see you again.